In this video, I am going to show you how to install and use Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI-powered product that detects grammar, spelling, punctuation, and word choice, and style mistakes in one's writing. Grammarly provides a free browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, etc. First, open one of the browsers above and go to grammarly.com. Navigate to a green button that says Add to. It's free. Click Allow. Software should start to download. Click Add to give software permissions and then OK to finalize. The icon of the Grammarly should now appear in your browser toolbar. Now that the software has been installed, it will ask that user creates an account. Enter your email, a new password, and your name. Grammarly will then give you two package options. Click Continue to Grammarly, it's free. You may then take a web tour of Grammarly or choose to skip it. But if you want to download Grammarly app on Windows, go to their site and click the red download button. Once the software has been fully downloaded, click Open. A pop-up of a tour should appear. Either click through the tour or click Skip. You will then be taken to a member login page. Either create a new login or enter your login credentials. You will then be taken to the home page. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.